So this is a follow-up conversation about Wolfspeed that we had about a month ago. And right now it appears the chips are down for Wolfspeed. What are they down for the count? What's going on? What's changed? There was a lot of euphoria about a month ago. The share price was rocketing higher. CHIPS Act funding was in place. Private equity funding was in place. The turnaround appeared to be in place, ready to go. Expansion of plants. So what happened? So let's take a closer look. Where are we at now? Because yesterday's plunge was massive. And even though we're up about 17% today, the year to date is still down 77%. So, wow. For those of us that are value investors looking for great opportunities, looking for those 10 baggers, looking to pad our portfolios with high performance companies, this warrants a much closer look. So they reported revenue and earnings per share. They actually were at or beat expectations. That's a good thing. It was the next quarter guidance that didn't look fantastic, which causes some pause. And in this stock market, if you're not given good guidance, you are going to get punished like no other. And that appears to be what's going on here. The other item is that with the new Trump presidency going into place, is that will a repeal be in place for the CHIPS Act funding? So there's a little bit of caution, a bit of concern, but on the positive side, let's take a look at that. On the positive side, I do not expect a repeal of the CHIPS Act funding. Most of this has already left the train station, and it's in place. Capital appears to be in place from private equity. They have great silicon carbide technology. They are cutting edge, and this is used for high energy efficiency, including electric vehicles, power plants, and the like. They actually Wolfspeed has substantial revenue. This is nothing to sneeze at. So for a company that's behaving like a startup, they have close to $800 million a year in revenue run rate. That is big. Let's also take a look at, there has not been any resignation of auditors. There doesn't appear to be any kind of restatement of income statements, balance sheets. There is no Department of Justice investigation, and there does not appear to be any kind of SEC inquiries or investigation also, nor any kind of Hindenburg short sell report to drive the price down. So is this a case of just old-fashioned beat up on some mediocre news and the near-term quarter doesn't look fantastic? This could be, but this is what creates those multi-millionaire portfolio opportunities for us. And me, I more than doubled down today, and I'll do it again if it warrants. This looks to be a fantastic buying opportunity in Wolfspeed. You judge for yourself, but with everything in place, these chips don't appear to be down for the count, and time for me to double down on my chips. We'll talk with you soon.